What if I told you that you can go to Google Maps right now and local businesses are ready to pay you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month. And all you have to do is plug AI into their business. Now, I know this sounds insane, but this is the exact same business model that I'm teaching thousands and thousands of students inside of our free community. And the best part about this is this works even if you're a complete beginner, have no coding skills, no AI skills, and no business or sales skills. Now, if you know how to go to google.com and copy and paste, this will work for you. Now, before we proceed, I want to make something extremely clear. I don't have a $997 course at the end of this video. I don't have any coaching for sale. And no, I don't even have a high ticket program at the end. But what I do have, if you stick with me until the end of this video, is my free community, all my templates, all the websites that you can use as your own, free daily coaching calls, an interactive guide that will do 99% of the work for you, and so much more. If you want access to all these free resources, just say AI Unfair Advantage down below in the comments, and I will personally send you the resources after you watch the entire video. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to dive right into this. We're going to go to google.com and we're going to type in a local business. So we can type in local plumbers or auto repair or landscapers, anything like that. So I'm going to go here and say plumbers in Dallas. And then as you can see, if I go to the map section here on Google, and as you can see here, I can see all the plumbing businesses that Google is showing me. Okay, so I'm in the Google Maps section. And as you can see, I can go to these websites if I'd like. I could also check if they have any type of social media. So as you can see, I can check out their Facebook account right here and I could send them a message, right? So I could do this for every single business. Now I'm going to show you a script where we're going to contact these local businesses. That way we can help them get more leads and sales, and more importantly, not lose more leads and sales. You'll see what I mean in just a second. But as you can see, this is what you want to do. You want to just start looking for these local businesses, right? And the more you go down, you'll start to notice tons and tons and tons of businesses, right? Literally endless. Okay. So we can just, again, click on different websites. You're going to want to get a list of these different businesses, right? Now, what I want to do is I want to look for their social media. That way I can send them a message, right? So on this website here, you can see on the top right, you can see their social medias, their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Now this one right here, I don't quite see it, but they do have a phone number. A phone number will work as well. But what I'm looking for is social media. It's just a simpler way to contact. But this business particularly does not have a social media that I can see at least, but we do have their email. We do have their phone number. So we can also contact them that way. Now, before I show you the script that we're going to send to these local businesses, I want you to understand a huge issue that's going on with a ton of these businesses, okay? Like 80 to 90% of these businesses have this issue. And that's why this business model is so powerful, okay? Let's just say you need plumbing, right? And you go to Google, you type in plumbing near me or whatever it is. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go and call the first plumber that you see, right? So maybe it could be this one right here, public service plumbers, right? Now, most of the time, they're not gonna answer when you first call them, right? They're probably busy working or whatever it is, right? So what do you do next? You go to the next one. If they don't answer, you go to the next one and the next one, right? So there's a huge problem here, right? Because if someone is calling these local businesses and they're not picking up, people are just gonna go to the next business and they're gonna lose a ton of business that way, right? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna send this message to these local businesses. That way they're not losing any more clients. This is the script right here. All right, so this is the script right here. I want you to screenshot this. We're gonna say, hey, business name, I just built an AI employee for whatever business it is. Okay, there's gonna be a blank spot. That will get you 3 to 10 appointments in the next 10 days for free. Do you want to see it? So this is the message that we're going to send to all these local businesses, because the very problem that they have is they're losing all these people that are going on to the next business. All right, so we finished step 1 in this process, which is contacting the local businesses. Now, step 2 is we're going to now install this AI software, and I'm going to show you how to very easily copy and paste this method in literally a few minutes, okay? And then of course, I'm going to show you how to get paid every single month. All right, so we're going to be using this AI software called GoHighLevel. Now, I do have an extended trial offer. That way you can try this for yourself and start setting up your first AI bot in the first few days and get paid before you even get charged for this software. Again, I'll show you how to get access to that and all my free resources at the end of this video. Now I'm in my GoHighLevel account. This is my funnel freedom version. Another cool thing that you can do with this is you can have GoHighLevel and then add your own logo, your own branding, which is very, very cool. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the AI agents part inside of this software. Okay. Now this software does a ton of different things, but we're just focusing on this for now. Okay. This is one of the most powerful things that you can do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to where it says voice AI. We're going to click on this right here. All right. So next what we're going to do is we're going to create an agent. So we're going to click on this button right here on the top right, and we're going to click on create a custom agent. Okay. Super simple to do. I'm going to show you exactly how step by step. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to name the agent name. I'm just going to call him Jim. Business name. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to one of these businesses here. Maybe we called one and no one answered and there was no callback or no receptionist or anything like that. So let's just say we called this company right here, Tribeca Plumbing Inc. I'm going to go ahead and use this as the test. Okay. So I'm going to go to their website here and here we go. So Tribeca Plumbing Inc. So I can go check this out. I'm going to copy their name here and I'm going to go back to my AI agent here. I'm going to put Tribeca Plumbing Inc. Language, English, voice. You can choose whatever voice you would like. As you can see, tons of different voices. You can test these out. You can listen to them. I'm just going to click on Christopher here and then save voice. Time zone's good. We can leave this the same. And then on the agent's initial message, I'm just going to change this a little bit. Hey, you have reached. And I'm going to put Tribeca Plumbing. I'm just going to put like that. And then I'm going to hit next on the bottom right. All right, so now on the agent goals, what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the details to collect from the contact. Okay, so typically for a local business, we want to collect name, email, possibly the address, pretty much everything, right? So depending on what it is, right? But for this particular business, we can collect all this information here, okay? And this should be good to go. And then we're going to hit next. All right, so this next step is important. What we want to do is we want to click on this right here. We want to make sure this is enabled, okay? Because what we want is a new phone number for this business. Okay. We don't want to use the number that they're already using, right? So for example, right here, they already have a phone number that this business is using, right? We don't want to contact these businesses and say, hey, we're going to change your entire number, everything that's already working. No. Okay. We want to make this super simple for them, but way more valuable. Okay. So what we're going to do here inside of this is we're going to purchase a new phone number, right? And it's only about $1 to purchase a new number right here. You can see here, I can purchase a new phone number for close to $1, right? So very, very cheap, right? So you want to get a brand new phone number for these local businesses. Okay. So we're going to go back here. Now, assuming you already bought a brand new phone number, we can go back to this page right here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to click the number that you just bought. I'm just going to select this right here and I'm going to hit save. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to train the AI on this business. And I'm going to show you a super simple copy and paste way to do this. Okay. So we're going to go back to the agent, right? So remember we created this agent right here. I'm going to go back to this agent here. I'm going to hit edit. We're going to go back to the agent goals. Okay. Now right here where it said select knowledge base, we want to create a new one. Okay. So I have knowledge bases for other businesses, but we want to create a new one. Okay. So I'm going to hit create new here. And this is going to be really, really simple. Okay. All I need to do here is create new knowledge base here on the top right. And I'm just going to put here Tribeca Plumbing Inc. I'm going to create that. And then what I can do is I could click on the web crawler version here. I could go to where it says add source, where it says web crawler. And I'm simply just going to copy and paste their website. Okay. Now what this is going to do is it's going to crawl their entire website. So essentially what that means is it's going to find all the information on this website. Okay. Super, super valuable. Okay. So I'm going to extract data here. That will take a few minutes, right? So you can see it's fetching pages, but what I can do once that's done, I can go back to my voice AI agent, click on the agent that we're working with, right? So again, we're going to go back to our voice AI agent. All right. So in the agent goals area, we're going to go back to where it says knowledge base. And as you can see, Tribeca Plumbing Inc. is now there. Okay. So now it knows all the information on this website. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have the agent test call us to see if this actually works. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to where it says phone call, select the number I want to call from. And I'm going to just put my phone number here. And right here where it says call me, I'm going to have the AI agent call me. Let's check this out.
Tribeca Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need help getting some work done at the house. One of my toilets is leaking.
Got it. Let's get this sorted for you. Can I start by getting your name, please?
Jonathan.
Could you share your email address so we can stay in touch?
Jonathan@gmail.com.
Could you also provide your address so we know where to send our team?
It's 123 10th Avenue.
And just to recap, you mentioned a leaking toilet. Is there anything else you'd like us to know about the issue?
No, that's it.
All right, Jonathan. We'll have a team member reach out to you shortly to get this resolved. Thanks for calling.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
And that's all you have to do to set up this AI agent. Now, the cool part is you can actually start creating these for these local businesses, reach out to them and just let them know that you've already created it for them. I promise you, they're going to be blown away. Now, as promised, I want to show you how you can get all my resources absolutely free. So what I've done is I've created this community called AI Freedom Launch Accelerator. We are growing at a rapid pace. We just hit 2,000 members in the last few months. Now, within this community, if you go to where it says classroom right here, we have an entire step-by-step course, 100% free. Now, if you are brand new, start right here where it says 0 to your first client in 30 days. We have built out an entire roadmap. That way you can get your first client up and running before you have to pay for any software. Now, if you go to the calendar section here, you can see we have coaching calls, sometimes twice a day. This is all absolutely free for you. And I even built an AI agency guide where we walk you through the entire process step by step. Again, all this is absolutely free. Just say AI Unfair Advantage and I will personally send you the resources, or you can click on the first link in the description down below and that will give you access to everything that I just mentioned. We'll see you on the next video and God bless.